What is Bloom's taxonomy? Well, not all questions are on the same level. Some questions are easy to answer, and others may require a great deal of thinking. Bloom has provided us with his taxonomy to help us to compose questions on different levels of thinking, and these are the levels: remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. Keep watching to see how you could use this set of guided reading questions in a reading session. Once you have read a piece of text or a story, you could ask your students, "What is the book about?" Give them some thinking time, and then select a student to answer the question. Another good question to ask, to gain understanding, is, list 3 major events in the story. This will help you to ascertain who has retained the information and who hasn't. Remember to always give your students time to think after every question. Other questions to ask your students, to see where they have obtained their information, or just to understand their thought process, is to ask them why. Or how do you know? This will encourage them to provide evidence to support their answers. Another question you could ask is, how did the main character feel in the story? You can change this question to suit any characters in the story. Remember to ask why and how do you know, to develop their understanding skills. During the session you could also ask, what is happening in the story or text? And what might that mean? This gives your students the opportunity to share their opinions and ideas. Always ask what the problem is in the text or the story, and how it is or might be solved. Another question that really works well with students during a reading session is this one. Which emoji best describes what is happening in the story or text, along with what is your favorite part in the story, and why? These cards will be available in our website shop as a video file and JPEG image. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, as this video is part of a guided reading series. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.